Say hey, babe. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. It is rainy here in Virginia today. We just got back from Aldi's and Wegmans. We are getting ready to put up our groceries that we got. And honey, baby having this thing down so low. And I hate it because it's a twist. It's a twist tripod. And you gotta, it's very heavy duty. Hold on, y'all. Thank you, baby. So you gotta be nice to your partner. They do more for you when you're nice to them. Thank you, baby. Hold on, let me put y'all in. Buckle up. Oh, y'all heavy. All right. Oof, y'all heavy. Alrighty. So I am dressed for the winter because after Thanksgiving went out, honey, Virginia said, okay, put your coats on. Pull them out. All right. So anyway, y'all, happy Vlogmas Day 2. We just got back from Aldi's. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, honey, our big booty is always running out of tissue. So I got this for $2.88. Aldi's, 55 cents. The best sangria you're gonna ever have without making it on your own. $3.95. $1.95 for a 12 count. So I did grab some beef sausage solely because I'm about to do another video using the Dollar Tree red beans. I'm making red beans and rice. All right. For the week, I got some stuff to make sandwiches. Got some honey turkey. This was a steal. The original price is $14.45. It was half off. So it was like $7 and some change. Y'all know when we went to the church, we got some of these red peppers. We love these red peppers with cream cheese. Fire. So I went to Aldi's and I got us some more. Obviously, that's who's funding the church. Aldi's, Kroger, and it's one more. I can't think of it right now. Anyways, got us some tomatoes. They did have a sale on their onions, $1.45 for a 3-pound bag. I got red and white. My baby loved plantains. Our last batch of plantains we got from the church. These were at Aldi's for 55 cents. So I got 2. Got some cheese for $1.85. I did not go to our normal vegetable spot. I got it from Aldi's, $3.99. I don't care how much Duke's mayo is. It was $5. I got it. I don't care about Duke's mayo. You need Duke's mayo. Okay. I got us some Alfredo sauce, some marinara. We have some chicken breast in there. And I'm gonna make us a creamy pasta and I'm gonna saute those chicken breasts, cut them up and put them on top. That's gonna be a dinner this week. We got hamburger meat from that 10-pound roll we got from Sam's. We ran out of pickles, plus my wife eat pickles with her tuna. Now that I got some eggs, I can finally make her tuna, y'all. I'm gonna make a video about that. The best tuna y'all ever had. And of course the church gave us some amazing apples, y'all. Every other night I grab me an apple, sit in Indian style in the middle of my bed and eat one of them big, beautiful, shiny apples. Of course my luxurious taste wanted 3 apples for $4. Of course. These are the Honey Crisp apples. Honey, you wash them, put a little bit of Baja Gold sea salt on them. Woo! Girl, they good. Girl got 3 of them. Got 3 of them, and that's all I got at Aldi's, y'all. I'm gonna put this back in here so babe can put this up. Honey, honey, honey. Yes, for the small grocery haul. And then she took me to Wegmans because for our Friendsmas, it went from a sit-down dinner to babe said, girl, you doing too much. Of course, I always do on her dime. So now we're having, it's a whole menu. It's gonna be so good. I'm doing Alabama baked beans. I'm doing rotel dip. We're having like 2 or 3 different style of chicken wings. And I went to Wegmans, which is the rich grocery store. I got this small bag for $8. I'm gonna defrost these and cook these tonight to see if we like this style wings. We're having fried wings, barbecue wings, hot buffalo wings, honey. Rotel, macaroni and cheese, baked beans, a salad, pasta salad, just, you know, things that we could do, walk, eat, and play games and have a good time. And so I'm cooking this pizza. This is a cheese pizza. We have some turkey pepperoni and some olives, and I'm gonna throw that on there. And this is gonna be our dinner also with our red beans and rice. So I'm gonna fry us some chicken wings, hot dog and bologna, macaroni and lele. Anyway, so yeah, let's wash my hands. And that's pretty much our Aldi's and Wegman haul, y'all. So I spent a total of, let's see, $55 in total. I had to split the payment up because we do side hustle. I spent money on the side hustle card and the rest of it out of the bank account, the joint bank account that we have. And then when I went to Aldi's, I spent that out of the joint bank account. So a total, we spent maybe $67 with all of this stuff. $67. That's everything. Wash my hands. Because you know people getting sick. So, alright y'all. That's all I'm going to show y'all in this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please leave a comment down below if you like these grocery hauls. I mean, the red beans and rice, the fried chicken, we got leftover macaroni and cheese from Thanksgiving. I gotta clean all that Thanksgiving stuff out, girl. It's almost Thursday again. We're not about to keep that stuff in there that long. It's the macaroni. If she want to eat macaroni on the side of red beans and rice and fried chicken, she can. But other than that, y'all, I'm about to go. Happy Vlogmas day 2. Bye.